Why do our appendix holsters have a molded in wedge on the back? It's very simple. We want to give you every possible advantage for the best concealment so that the gun you carry disappears when you've got it on. So if you order one of our Spark inside the waistband light bearing holsters, it has a wedge molded in. Our Flint holster has the same wedge molded in. Our Flint compact holster has the same wedge molded in. But you might wonder, doesn't this make the holster longer than my gun? If you get our G48 Flint compact holster that has that wedge molded in and you're carrying a G43 in it, or you get our P365 XL Flint compact, this guy, with that wedge molded in, and you're carrying a standard 365, the holster will be longer than your gun. That's not an accident or an oversight. Longer holsters are more stable because you have more holster below the belt line to prevent tipping. If you have a very short gun, the weight of the magazine and the rounds and the part of the gun that's above the belt line tends to make the whole rig want to tip out away from your body. The longer holster with the wedge counteracts that and keeps the rig stable throughout the day, and the wedge tips the muzzle out and helps rotate the grip in towards your body for the best possible concealment.